If you're the type of person who loves food that is super juicy, likes to make sure that everyone has an equal portion, and is not a big fan of washing pots and pans, then foil packet cooking is for you. And if you're not familiar with it, let me share a simple recipe to get you started. We start by cutting 4 squares of aluminum foil, and you'll want to make sure you use a heavy-duty one, and don't be skimpy when cutting it. We season a few chicken breasts with salt and pepper before dipping them in some barbecue sauce. We place one in the center of the foil and top it with a slice of pineapple, some chunked up red pepper, and a bit of chopped scallions. A little bit more barbecue sauce goes on top, and we fold the foil, creating a pocket so our chicken can roast. Place these on a baking sheet and into the oven they go, or we can cook these right out on the grill. When they're done, make sure you open them carefully because they're gonna be hot. What we end up with is the juiciest chicken ever, topped with the taste of the tropics. The recipe for our Tropical BBQ Chicken Packets is online now and is perfect all year long. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a wrapped up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.